Hey everyone, I haven't posted in a while, and it's the pre-release of The Brothers War. So I already opened my pre-release packs because I actually played, but I did get a collector booster pack, and I just wanted to open it, see what I got, share it with everybody, and yeah, let's have some fun. So let's open. I know it's much fun, and everyone's been opening like full boxes, but I didn't feel like spending $200 on a full box. Oh my god! This laser beak. There you go. Yeah, I haven't opened a collector booster in a while, actually. Oh, the swamp looks really nice. Let's see, painful quandary. Over the top. Oh. Foundry Inspector. Sigil of Valor. Ah, nice. Ah, and I got Slicer. And, oh, Power Stone and Teething Wormlet. Yeah. That was it. It's pretty exciting. I actually really wanted a something cooler, but I'm excited because I really have been wanting the Transformers cards. I did buy a set booster box. Not sure if I'm going to open it for you guys yet. I might just hold on to it for a while, but I'll try to do more openings soon. All right. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.